Good morning, students. Welcome to Siva Group of Institutions online classes. Students, this is a maths class, and we are doing chapter 6. In our previous class, we finished exercise 6C, and I hope you all have done your homework. Okay. So today we will start next exercise 6D. So students, take out your book and open page number 89. And the topic is addition of money. Okay, students? And the topic is addition of money. Addition of money. Okay. So we have two digits, 24.34 rupees. Okay, and the second one is 16.24 rupees, and we have to add these numbers. So student, the process is we put the पैसे, okay, means the पैसे come below the पैसे and the rupees come below the rupees and the dot come below the dot, means पैसे के अंदर पैसे and rupees के अंदर rupees and the dot come below the dot. Okay, add them. 4 4 8 3 2 5 dot 6 plus 4 10 0 carry 1 2 plus 1 3 and carry 1 4 40.58 rupees. Okay, it's the process of addition of money. Understood? Okay, next example. Direct come to exercise 6B. Question number 1. Add the following by converting into paise. Add the following by converting into paise. 69.70 rupees plus 25.25 rupees. Okay, students. So how to convert these rupees into paise? First number question is 69.70 rupees 20 plus 25.25 rupees. Understood? 69.70 rupees plus 25.25 rupees. So students, first we convert these rupees into paise and then add. So 69 rupees 70 paise means 69 rupees 70 paise plus 25 rupees 25 paise. ओके, हम लोग इसको ऐसे राइट कर सकते हैं ना, 69 रुपीज 70 पैसे प्लस 25 रुपीज 25 पैसे. अंडरस्टूड? सो 69 रुपीज and 70 पैसे. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू चेंज रुपीज इनटू पैसे. सो जब हम लोग रुपीज को पैसे में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई द रुपीज बाई 100 प्लस 70 पैसे प्लस 25 multiplied by 100 पैसे paise. Understood? 6900 plus 70 paise plus 2500 plus 25 paise. Understood? 6900 plus 70 is equal to 6970 paise plus 2500 plus 25 paise is equal to 2525 paise. Here the both units are same. Okay, so add them. 6970 plus 2525. Okay students, now add them. 5 7 plus 2 9 9 plus 4 9 plus 5 14 4 carry 1 6 plus 1 7 plus 2 9 and the number is 9495 paise. Okay students, understood? First we change rupees into paise and then add. Okay. Okay students, next part B. Add each of the following. Question number 1. Add each of the following. Means question number 1, 12.25 rupees, 35.65 rupees and 20.00. Okay, 20.00 rupees and add both the numbers. So students, as we see, the paise are come. Paise, it's arranged in the order. Okay, so we can add them easily. 5 plus 5 10, 0 carry 1, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9, 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. And the answer is 67.90 rupees. Understood? 67.90 rupees. Next, question number 2, 3, 4 is same as question number 1, so we can do easily. Now come to our next part C. Word problem. Okay friends? Next part C, and the questions are word problem. Read question number 1. Students, read question number 1. Question number 1 is Radha gave 56.90 rupees to her daughter and 35.50 to her son. Find the total money given by Radha to her children. Okay? Question number 1, part C. Radha gave 56.90 to her daughter and 35.50 to her son. Money of daughter. Money of daughter is equal to 56.90 rupees. 56.90 rupees. And money of son is equal to 35.50 rupees. And we have to find the total money. And we have to find the total money given by Radha. Total money is equal to the money of daughter and plus the money of son. 56.90 and 35.90. Add them 0, 92.80 rupees. The total money is 92.80 rupees. Understood? Next, question number 2. Harsh had 20.50 rupees with him. His father gave him 75 rupees as his pocket money. How much money does he have now? Okay. Read the question again. Harsh had 20.50 with him. Okay, it means Harsh had 20.50 rupees. His father gave him rupees 75. Means हर्ष के पास 20.50 रुपीज ऑलरेडी हैं और उसके फादर ने 75 रुपीज उसको पॉकेट मनी के रूप में दी. ठीक है. देन हाउ मच मनी डज ही हैव नाउ. मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मच मनी डज ही हैव. उसके पास इस समय कितना पैसा है. ठीक है ना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हर्ष हैड 20.50 with him. Money of Harsh is equal to money of Harsh 20.50 rupees and pocket money is equal to 75 rupees. So we have to find the total money. Total money is equal to 20.50 rupees plus 75.00. Okay, 0559 95.50 rupees. The total money does he has 95.50 rupees. Okay, understood? So students, question number 3, 4, 5, 6, all the questions are same as question number 1 and 2. So these questions do yourself. Students, is enough for today. Next class we will start exercise 6E. Okay, so the homework. Complete exercise 6B. It's your homework. Complete exercise 6B. Okay? Thank you.